things first, I'm going to take off doing my brows. I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony. This stuff is just like low-key, just like tattoo brows. I love this stuff with a passion, so you know, it be having my brows on fleek, like. So yeah, what I'm going to do is take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk Crayon, the crayon pencil in Milk. I really want the pigment to peep through and come through really strong, so that's why I'm using this as the eyeshadow base rather than the typical thing I normally would use, which is just concealer. So yeah, so I'm just going to take this and apply this all over my eye. Alright, so I've redone my eye like 3 times. I'm literally just having makeup block. I haven't done makeup in a minute, so but my creative juices just aren't flowing, so I'm not really sure where I'm going with this look, but I just know right now burnt orange is in my crease on this eye, so I'm just going to do the same thing to this eye, and I'm just going to pack it in, and then I'm going to blend it out. I think I'm going to take where is it? This contour shade. This is what I use to contour. I'm going to take this shade and apply that kind of a little below that burnt orange shade. So I had glitter out, and I was using glitter to re-moisturize my face. So I'm just going to do that just briefly because I'm a little annoyed. So now I'm just trying to get through this look, which I just think I'm going to just really do a classic red lip. Just what I'm feeling like right now. Just wing liner and a classic red lip. You can't go wrong with that. Now that my skin is no longer dry, I'm going to take my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer, and I'm going to use that. I've been really heavily going ham on the skincare, the preparation before my makeup, and it has just tremendously been great to me. So yeah, I'm just real big on priming my face now because my makeup applications become so much smoother. To use for foundation, of course, I'm taking my holy grail, the Lancome Tiny Doe Ultra 24-Hour Makeup, and this is in 460 Suede, S-U-E-W. Yeah, that's what shade I am in, and I'm just taking this to apply one. I think I'm going to try using a brush today. We'll see how this goes. Should have color corrected, but it's fine. Ain't nothing little concealer can't fix. And I'm just going to use this. I really want to try this sculpting brush as my foundation. Oh wow. Look at me. For concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. this with a little bit darker of a concealer, just so it's not like super bright. But this is kind of, I don't know, I just want it to look nice. And this is the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in the shade D31 Warm. So I'm going to contour my face with Dark Cocoa from LA Girl. Take my Airspun loose powder from the drugstore, and I'm going to use that to set my face. Now I'm going back into my contour kit and taking that same shade, the Kiss Contour the Kiss Contour Kit, and I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to contour my face. Kind of just set that contour. Yes, honey, snatch it. Do what I got to do. Now I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan. So what I'm just going to do is do just my signature wing liner. Y'all know I'm a sucker for wing liner. And I'm just going to do this extremely bold wing line. And I'm using the NYX liquid liner, the matte liquid liner. And alright, so to blush up the face, I'm going to take this blush right here. And I'm just going to blush up these two and mix them in. I'm just going to blush up the face. This is the BH Cosmetics To Go Blush Palette. And I'm just going to go in and add mascara to this look. And I'm going to add some lashes, and I will be right back. I'm just going to wet my face with the MAC Fix Plus Spray. I'm just going to set my face, okay? Everything into place. So now that my face is dried down a bit, I'm going to go in with my first highlighter. And the first highlighter that I'm going to use, I like to use two because this one is blonding as hell, but I like, it's like kind of real light on my skin tone, so I like to like settle it with a little gold, more of a gold, deeper gold ratherly. So first I'm going to take the Inage Cosmetics, this is their loose diamond powder. And this is in Illustrious. Yeah. So I'm going to take next I'm going to go over that with the Matte Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish. I just like to put this over top of it because I don't know, I just do. I just feel like it's just super, look at that. Ooh, y'all, did not come to play, honey. I did not come to play. Look at that. And of course I'm going to blend this out, obviously. Girl. She did not come to play with y'all. She did not. These two just together, just Y'all give me a moment.